Hi, this is Ramesh Khanal. I'm an area manager for Scripts for Less prescription drug card company. Here at Scripts for Less, we provide different kinds of prescription services to people all over the country. And these programs we have categorized into four different groups. One is diabetic supplies, the second one is mail order pharmacy, third one is patient assistance program, and the final one is savings card. So let's go to our website. Actually, my website, this one is specifically the website address, just the address, which is www.ibourl.com/ir7. Website address once again is www.ibourl.com/ir7. I believe you can see my photo there and some of the links to my videos and my blogs, as well as the contact button there. So let's talk about those programs one by one. Let's go to the savings card first. Here, this is a prescription savings card or prescription drug card or prescription discount card, whatever you would like to say. This is absolutely free. There's no cost to you as a consumer, and those cards are accepted at over 60,000 pharmacies all across the country. Those cards never expire, and you can use them over and over and over. And then the cards will be able to save you up to 85% on your prescription medications. All you need to do, if you don't have a hard copy of our prescription drug card, or if you want us to mail, that's all right. But if you want to print it off right off your computer, in that case you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. That phone number will serve as an ID, and then the zip code. And after you do that, you'll be directed to a new your card will be shown in the next window, and that will be customized. After you do that, or before you do that, doesn't matter, you can read some of the information there, and that's it. You don't need to do anything else to get your free prescription discount card. And the second one is, let's talk about our mail order pharmacy program. As you can see here, you can save as much as 80% or more on your prescription medications delivered right to your door. And as you know, mail order pharmacies are cheaper than other kind of prescription or buying at the store. So if you want, you can certainly get your medications delivered right to your doorstep, and then you will see you will be assured that you will have your prescriptions delivered on time. And then you can see some of those information, how it works and what it needs, or something like that. Or you can call us too. The third one is diabetic supplies. Let's go to that program, diabetic supplies. This one is for those people who are suffering from diabetes and who need to do their testings daily, sometimes multiple times a day. And this is basically, we provide the diabetic supplies, testing supplies at 50% of the chain pharmacy price. And you can see on the left what you can get for free, and then some of the programs, what supplies you get. And if you go further down a little bit, and then enroll now button there on the left, you can see, if you click that one, it will take you to a new window, and it will ask how many times you are testing daily. And once you do that, it will show you the price, monthly price for you, and then you can further go on and enroll into the program. You can pay by credit card or by checking. And the final program, a wonderful program at that, is patient assistance program. This program is designed for people who do not have prescription coverage in their insurance and who are basically low income. However, those income qualifications are pretty generous. Here what we do is provide the most expensive brand name medications at the given price of $69.95 for a month supply of 3 or less prescription medications, brand name prescription medications. However, if you are taking 4 or more brand name prescription medications, the charge goes to a little higher at $99.95. All you need to do is to show us that you qualify for the program, and the qualification process or the is based primarily on the income level. As you can see here, if you scroll down further, you will see the annual family income qualifications. One person, $21,780, whereas for 8 persons it is $75,260. And then you can enroll there. You can click the enroll now button. It will take you to new window, and then it will ask you some of the basic information about who your doctor is, what medications you are checking, what is your income level, and things like that. After you do that, you are good to go, and your medications will be delivered. Those expensive, really expensive medications that will cost you about $500, $400, or even $1,000 a month will come down to $69, $95 for the entire month supply. Remember, the price is not just for one medication, but for the total of 3 medications for a month supply, not just few days or anything like that. So once you do that, you are good to go. Your medicines will be delivered right to your door, and that's it. And this is basically what we provide at the Scripts for Less. If you want to find more information, you can certainly juggle around there. And then if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. You'll find my contact information right there in my website. Thank you for watching the video.